Sunstone by Shannon, version B, in 30 by 48 cm rounds. Special treatment starts with some pearls that we have sprinkled on the purple areas. These are violet pearls that we have used in place of the regular beads. So simply replace the regular shades of purple beads that you have with your violet pearls and you get this effect. Sunstone version B by Shannon in 30 by 48 cm round. Special treatment version 2 now adds tree crystals that you can place on the green areas of the picture. So you can actually choose to place some of the green areas by sprinkling them in these areas, or you can do as what I've done here, which is focusing on sort of like the rays of the sun's head, which is in green. So I've sprinkled it in that green section right over here, like the sun's headdress. So those are the tree crystals, and this is what we've added for version 2. Sunstone by Shannon version B in size 30 by 48 cm rounds. Special treatment version 3 now adds apple crystals that we have placed on all of the yellow areas. So you can sprinkle it in the background right over here, as well as in the middle of the face of the sun. So sprinkle it in those areas, in the yellow areas, and it will give you this glistening effect. Once again, for Sunstone version B, special treatment version 3, we have violet pearls for these areas. We have tree crystals for those areas right over there. And finally, these ones are apple crystals.